Hello everyone, this is Madhusri and I am here to present a presentation on microwave oven simulation project. The table of contents are introduction, objectives, requirements, tools, simulations and conclusions. Coming to the introductions, microwave ovens have become an invisible part of our daily lives, offering the convenience of rapidly heating or cooking our food. It makes our life easier, and these seemingly straightforward kitchen appliances, however, a world of interactive technology and engineering beneath their sleek exteriors. In this report, we embark on a journey into workings of a microwave ovens and exploring their operation through a project and realized by using the help of picsimlab. Then coming to the definition of embedded systems are the specialized computing systems that are the part of a large systems or product performing dedicated functions. And the importance of embedded systems are they are ubiquitous and are found in appliances such as automobiles, medical devices and more, enhancing the more efficiency and functionality. Coming to the significance of microcontroller programming, they are the brain of the embedded systems and they control the behavior and their response. Then role, microcontroller programming is much more essential for designing the intelligent and responsive embedded systems. Coming to the main focus of the microwave ovens includes evolution and complexity. Coming to the evolution part, microwave ovens have transformed cooking. They offer very quick offering and convenient meal preparations that are very essential for our day-to-day life. And coming to the complexity part, exploring the internal workings of a microwave oven reveals the intricacy of embedded systems used in everyday appliances. Then coming to the objective of this microwave oven project includes introduction to embedded systems and microcontroller programming and exploring the world of microwave ovens. Then overview of simulation project, detailed steps in microcontroller programming. Coming to the simulation results and analysis, learning outcomes and future prospects. Objects and learning goals may include this project mainly aims to simulate the behavior of microwave oven by using PIC SimLab and MPLAB IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. Coming to the learning goals of this project includes gain sights in microcontroller programming, simulation techniques and real-world applications of embedded systems. Then coming to the requirements, it contains MPLAB IDE, XC8 compiler, then PIC SimLab, PIC 16F877A, then 16x4 CLCD, then tactile switch, MKP and timer 2. Tools used in this microwave oven projects may include PCSIM, MPLAB IDE, CLCD, communication modes, MKP. Coming to the explanation of these tools may include PIC SimLab, a versatile PIC microcontroller simulation tool which enables the virtual prototyping and testing. maplab IDE, it's a powerful integrated development environment for programming PIC microcontrollers that includes facilitating code development, and it is mainly used for debugging purpose. Then coming to CLCD, the full form includes character liquid crystal display. They are of two types, 16x2 display and 16x8 display. Then communication mode is of 2 bits, that is one is 4-bit mode and one more is of 8-bit mode. Then coming to the MKP, it's matrix keypad. When more number of inputs coming to the communication modes, it contains 2-bit mode, that one is a 4-bit mode and one more is 8-bit mode. MKP is nothing but matrix keypad. When more number of inputs are required, but still if you want to control the number of inputs, then we make use of MKP, that is matrix keypad. And they are mostly used in telephones, calculators, lockers, and many more applications. Then coming to the interrupts, interrupts are is a communication process setup in which a microprocessor or a microcontroller, in which an internal or an external request NPU or MCU is sent to stop the processing. You make use of acknowledges the request and sends and attends the request. Coming to the timers, timers and counters are the most important applications in the embedded systems. They are mainly used for the calculation of delay and measures the time. It's a software designed to count the time interval between the two events with the registered bit. It's a registered bit and it denotes the up or down count, that is quantum. And scaling may be prescaler or it may be postscaler. There are two types. And coming to the simulation part, we have created a code for this. It's like this, which includes main program. Then when buzzer is off and after some delay, it will start buzzing tool. Here the operations are mentioned. If key 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. It goes on like this. Then the simulation part will be done. Then coming to the microboard, one indicates micro and second is build, third is conventional mode and fourth is of start. If you click one, it's a micro mode. Now temperature is for 5 seconds. Time is for 5 seconds. Start. Now we are going to give a start. Buzzer will buzzer after 3 seconds. This is our project. Then if you click 2, then it's in green mode. Time is for 4 seconds. It will start. Coming to the fourth, it is a start and stop resume mode. After 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, it will start buzzing sound. Coming to the output of the mathematical O1 project, simulation starting safely without any errors. And coming to the conclusion part, in this project we simulated and understood the working of microwave oven using picsimlab and maplab IDE and XC8 compiler. An embedded project is being built with microcontroller programming used in our daily real world applications, which may include conditionals, loops, operators, arrays, and pointers, functions, and strings. An introduction to embedded system and microcontroller may also include maplab IDE, XCD, picsimlab, introduction to various peripherals of PIC 16F8778, interfacing with various peripherals such as PIC 16F8778, and giving multiple